Hey guys, it's Kim with 5 Minute Cloth, and today is the start of the Flats and Handwashing Challenge. So for me, this is year 2 of the challenge, and I'm really excited for it. Last year went really well. I had really no complaints. The hardest thing actually for me was just getting these daily prompts up. I'm not used to making content that frequently. But anyways, so today's prompt is, why am I participating in this Flats and Handwashing Challenge? So like I said, this is my second year. I have a lot more confidence coming into this. Really the main reason I am doing this is just to show the cloth diaper community and people who are interested in cloth diapering that cloth diapering doesn't have to be complicated. It can really be as simple as a $100 stash with flats and covers, and it can be as simple or as complicated as you'd like it to be. I think a lot of people who are interested in cloth diapering are just intimidated with how complex it can seem. So I think this challenge is great to show that cloth diapering can be very simple. And a huge plus of using flats and covers is how cost effective it can be. People are first starting cloth diapering or interested in it, there can be a huge sticker shock thinking that you need to spend $300 to $700 on all of these high-end expensive cloth diapers. Well, many of those types of diapers are some of my favorites, but that doesn't mean that's the only way to cloth diaper. My second favorite type of cloth diapering is flats and covers. And if I got rid of my all-in-ones, I could easily still cloth diaper exclusively using flats and covers for a much smaller cost and just as easy. So anyways, my overall why I'm doing this challenge is just to spread awareness that cloth diapering doesn't have to be complex, it doesn't have to be difficult, and it can be very cost effective. So I hope you guys will follow me through this week of the Flats and Hand Washing Challenge. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos this week. If you're on Instagram, make sure you follow me at 5Minute Cloth, where I post regularly about my kids and about cloth diapering. Okay guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!